Hi, my friends. Mark Mendelson here, CEO of Canadian Associates of Ben-Gurion University, in my monthly CEO's Corner. What has happened? We've had a busy month, I must say. A kudos to our team that we were able to get Dr. Tal Zaks, the Chief Medical Officer of Moderna, which is the pharmaceutical company probably first in running for the corona vaccine. He is a MD and PhD graduate from Ben-Gurion University. He led a webinar 3 weeks ago, and we had over 250 people on the webinar itself and another 150 to 170 on Facebook. He was just incredible, very insightful, very modest, and obviously a brilliant researcher. And then just this week, we had two of Israel's best, foremost authorities on epidemiology, Professor Nadav Davidovich and Danny Filick, Professors Nadav Davidovich and Danny Filick. Again, we had over 120 people on our live webinar, and another, I think, 50, 60 on Facebook. So our webinars are really keeping people informed, are delivering some very up-to-date and fascinating news of what's going on in Israel or in the world of science. And in 3 weeks, we have probably, I would say, Israel's number one or number two person in cybersecurity, Professor Yuval Elovitch, who heads our cyber labs, our Deutsche Telekom labs, who is at the top of all research and also at the top of the cyber emergency response team, which is housed at Ben-Gurion University. So that should be a fascinating one, especially people in Montreal know that just yesterday it came out that the Jewish General Hospital's database was hacked, as was the metro, the Montreal subway. So cyber is becoming a terrible pandemic in the world. And we are going to have a fascinating lecture by Yuval Elovitch, who is the nicest. I jokingly call him a goat farmer because he owns a moshav and where he raises goats and tropical fruits, etc. We have had a very busy weeks at Ben-Gurion, and I'm thrilled to be able to tell you that after weeks of interviews, etc., we have hired, and she has accepted, a new manager of communications and marketing. Her name is Galit Solomon, and those of you from Toronto might recognize her because she was the TV anchor for CTV News, for City News, Discovery Channel for about 12 years. She is joining us next week. We are signed, sealed. It's going to be a 60% position, but we are now positioned to really move ourselves forward and become even more of a major force contender, not contender, I think we're number one in Canada, certainly within the university, Israeli university structures. So I wish you all a Shabbat Shalom. Wear masks, watch our website, watch our notices, stay safe, and keep yourself distance from people. Thank you, Shabbat Shalom, and Lihitraot. Bye-bye.